Okay, moving forward to our next step. Now you are going to go ahead and log into your PowerLead system, and you should have received your information through the email on how to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, this is always going to come up, at least right now it's coming up. And I always say, show me these updates on my next login, simply because I don't know when they're ever going to maybe have some new updates that I haven't seen. And I don't want to lock myself out of being able to see those things. So I went ahead and clicked on show me the updates. Now, when you first go into your back office, you will probably see all red buttons here. That means that you have not completed them, and you need to complete it first, and then it will turn green. The first thing you want to do is take the domain name that you just purchased and you want to bring it over to PowerLead system. So let's go over how to do that. We're clicking here at the top where it says websites. Take your mouse down to domains / subdomains. Go over and down to transfer domains and click on that. So what are we doing? We are transferring the domain name that we just purchased over into PowerLead system. And this is the same process if you already have another domain name with another system that you've already purchased and you've used it for years and you want to use it here. The process is exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says transfer domain. What we have to do is let the place that we purchased our domain, in my case, it's domains priced better. In your case, it might be GoDaddy, it might be Namecheap, it could be anything, GVO, it doesn't matter as long as you know where to go to find your name servers. For our purposes, I'm going to show you how to do it and how to set it up with domains priced better. If you have GoDaddy, it's pretty much the same thing. You just have to find the tabs. They might look a little bit different. Okay, so here you see name server 1 and name server 2, and this is what's needed to go over and transfer your name. So I'm going to click back over to my domains priced better, and you know what, I logged out, so let me go ahead and log back in. Okay, I'm back in my account, and so right here where it says domains, that's where you're going to find all of the domains that you own. I'm going to slide on over and click on launch. Now this is actually a training account that I'm in right now, so you will only see maybe 1 or 2 domains in here. And here we see the domain that I just purchased, makemoneywithroz.com. So in order to transfer the domain name over to my lead system, what I'm going to do, notice here across the top, the icons that are there are grayed out, or you can't see, you can't click on any of them because they're not activated. I haven't told the system that I want to work within makemoneywithroz.com. So now I'm going to go here and tick the box, and notice now these are all available. Right here, the first icon right after organize, you see name servers. When I put my mouse on it, I can click on set name servers. So I'm going to do that. And you'll see that makemoneywithroz.com already has the default name servers activated that comes with the system. What I want to do is switch it over to work with another system. So the process is very simple. I'm going to go here, and then the custom circle, the circle right next to the word custom, I'm going to tick that. Now it's saying you're currently using default name servers, which I'm aware of, but I want to enter custom name servers. So I'm going to click that. Now you see that there are 2 empty boxes waiting for me to put in the name servers that I want to use. I'm going to go back to my PowerLead system back office that showed me the 2 name servers. I'm simply going to drag my mouse over name server 1, right click, copy. Of course, I'm using a PC, so if you're using a Mac, it might be different. It will be a little different, not much. And I'm going to go back to add the name server, right click, and paste. I did have to left click just to put my cursor inside the box. Left click, then right click and paste. That's the first name server. I'm going to go back and pull the second name server, drag it, right click, copy, go back to my domain manager. In the second box, left click to put the cursor there, right click and select paste. And notice you can't select OK yet. You have to add the name servers that you just pasted in. So I'm going to click on Add Name Server. Now it always brings up an extra box when you click Add Name Server. I'm not sure why it does that, but you just simply, you don't need but the two. So I'm going to delete that extra box. And you can see now I can select OK, which I'll do right now. Everything is being validated. Now all I have to do is save. And now I'm able to use the domain names within Power Lead System. And now that you know what to do on this step, go ahead if you need to transfer your domain name. And once you do that, move forward to the next video.